Now I know most of you guys are thinking, does the description box really matter? Will it really help your videos get a lot of views? Will it really help your videos get you more subscribers? And yes, the description box is the most important thing on YouTube. And I'm going to tell you guys why. The description box is just an extra way for you to add a title. Now, it helps the title a lot. Say you did a lot of things in the video and you don't know what to title the video, but you do want to still keep it simple. So let's think about the how to play basketball video. If you want to go ahead and title a video how to play basketball, but in the actual video you're showing a lot of things as far as how to play basketball in the rain, how to play basketball with other people, how to play basketball with the team, all types of things you guys want to do, right? And you don't know what to title the actual video, you can put all those titles in the description. All you have to do is create a little paragraph and explain what you guys are going to be talking about in the video. Now, here is an example of a really great description box, okay? So you guys can see this person has 4 million views. It's been about 3 or 4 years, almost 4 years, but 3 years. They have 32 likes and they also have 2.8 million or 2.1 million subscribers. Now, if you guys look at this description box, it is set up for you guys to be successful, okay? So I'm going to tell you why this is really good and why it's actually getting a lot of views and how it's actually being promoted in the search engine, okay? So you guys can see here it says in the description box, I can't believe we're almost halfway through the year. Time flies when you're watching a bunch of awesome video compilations. Here are the best videos from the month of May, including the crazy sea lion, a crazy nap, and much more. Now, you guys may think, oh, he's just putting a paragraph at the top explaining what the video is about. And yes, but he's using a lot of keywords. So if you guys know YouTube, you guys know a lot of compilation videos do very well. Well, this word compilation is considered a key word, okay? And if you guys can see here, it says video compilation, and people type this in the search engine all the time. Also, you guys can also see it says here, the best videos from the month of May. Now, I'm not saying to exactly copy what they're doing as far as what they're typing, but just put keywords in your descriptions. Keywords in the descriptions will help the video do a lot better. And you want to make sure you put it at the top, okay? So when you guys are doing the keywords and you put in a paragraph, you want to make sure you put it at the top of the description. Because what YouTube does is it picks up all those keywords from the one that is closest to the top of the description box. Now, as you guys can see, if you go further down, it says watch next. It has a link here, best of the week, and then it says top 10 job ideas, and it has a link as well. This is very, very good. You guys want to fill your description box as much as you can. I believe you get 5,000 characters, so you guys can go crazy in the description box. As you guys can see, he's putting all these original links to all the videos that are actually in this video, which is really good. And this is a very smart technique because a lot of people are on the simple side will think, oh, what this person is doing is they're just giving credit to everybody. And yes, he's giving credit to everybody, but what he's also doing is he's helping himself be recommended. Now, how's he helping himself be recommended? You guys see all these videos on the right side, right? What he's doing is he's putting all these links in his description because he knows once he does this, when they go and watch this video or when somebody watches this video, what's going to happen is YouTube is going to recommend this video under this video. Now you guys are getting where I'm going. As you guys can see, there's all these videos here. He put over 20 videos here, which means what he's doing is he's getting all of his videos recommended under these YouTube links. Now, some links say Facebook, some say Twitter, but for the most part, they say YouTube. And what he's basically doing is he's taking all those videos that he put in his description and he's trying to get his video promoted under those videos so that the people who watch those videos when they go viral come to his channel. It is the smartest technique in the book and I highly suggest you guys do it. Now that is a huge secret and a huge tip that will help you boost your views from your description box. A lot of people don't know this trick, so you won't see it on a lot of YouTube channels, but this is one of the smartest ways, and you guys can see it helped him a lot because he got 4.1 million views, and that's a really good number, and you can tell because most of these people here went viral. So you want to make sure your social media links are in your description because what it will do is it will create a funnel. Once you get all those people following you on every social media, the social medias now, the way they work, they have an algorithm where it promotes your page from a post on Facebook, if you get a like or a share, it'll promote it to other people. People will see that, and then they will go on your page and they'll try to figure out what you're about. And then if they see something that they're interested in, they'll go to your YouTube channel and they'll subscribe, and it'll help you get extra views, extra subs, extra likes, everything. So you guys want to make sure you always have your social media in the description box below, because it does help you in the long run. Now, this is just something that is about the channel, kind of explains a little bit about it. You guys don't have to do this, but like I said, keywords help, but keywords are usually really good for the top of the video. And also, if you guys are going to go ahead and do this, you guys can do like a copyright thing. A lot of people who like use copyrighted content, like they use other people's videos, they like to put a copyright statement here. You guys can also do that just to protect yourself even more. Also, people put who the video is licensed to, and if it says you have an issue with any of these videos being shown, you can just visit me at this link and we'll go ahead and talk about it and we'll get it taken care of. You guys can do that as well if you're planning on doing compilation videos, but if you're doing your own videos, you can just put here, this video is licensed or owned by such and such. Okay, so you guys can do that. Keep in mind, this is the foundation, this is the fundamental right here. What you guys want to do is you want to put a description paragraph at the top. You guys can add some videos of your own, and you want to find videos. If you're using any videos in your video, you want to go and find the title, find the link, and put it here, because what it will do is it will help your videos get recommended under these viral videos. You guys can even do this if you're not using those videos in your video. Say you post a similar video, say something is going on in the world, like an earthquake or something like a natural disaster, anything that's going on in the world, a basketball game. Say somebody won a basketball game and you made a video about it. You can go ahead and get the original basketball game link and you can put it in your description. And what that will do is if the basketball game goes viral, you guys will be recommended under that basketball game video. And the same for everything. You can put unlimited links until the actual description box is filled. So that is step number 2 to help you boost views as far as the description and how it's supposed to be actually written out. And the last part of your description, always put your social media. You guys can also put a subscribe link from your channel, and you guys need to also, if you're using copyrighted content, add something here to kind of save yourself. Now, the license 2 part, you don't have to do that. Everybody knows the video is owned by you. If you guys want to let people know that this video is owned by you, you can also add that license at the bottom. Now, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoy the description. Let's go ahead and get into the tags.